Want to know how to increase a man's regard for you? Nothing irritates you more than a man you love taking you for granted. If it's little infractions, such as being self-centered or ignorant to your needs, it can be really irritating. If he cheats on you, assaults you, or manipulates you to the point of tears, it can be heartbreaking. There is only one way to solve this problem: you must make him value you more than he values himself. You must quit allowing him to depreciate whatever you do for him, or he will continue to treat you badly. Here are 5 ways on how to make a man you love value you more. 1. Remove his crown jewel from his possession. No, I'm not referring to his crown gem, unless it is his most evident quality, in which case, yes, the penis. The crown gem is the major quality that attracts you to him, the main trait that makes you notice him, or the main asset that you admire the most. The idea is that you belittle his strongest quality while also hinting that he requires more. Assume he's an extremely wealthy man, and that's his most prominent characteristic. So you'd say something like this to him: I hope you're not one of those people who believe that having a lot of money makes you exceptional. Now, even the most astute of gentlemen will refuse to go through your hoops. Even yet, people can't help but place a higher value on you. 2. Demonstrate that other men do see your true worth. People are interested in what other people are interested in. And the dating market is no different. It's been abused before, and everyone knows it, so proceed with caution. It's best if you can get him to see it for himself. As a result, the greatest settings to utilize this tactic are nightclubs, where individuals are more likely to approach one another. 3. Make him earn your attention and delight by making him work for it. Men are by nature hard workers, at least when it comes to doing something they enjoy, and it is in their nature to appreciate something more after they have earned it. This is why winning a sports title, becoming a movie star, or being elected as a politician is so satisfying for a man. It's a long and difficult route, so when he succeeds, he'll feel like he's accomplished something truly remarkable. In men's relationships, the same holds true. Every man likes to believe that he had to put in some effort or a lot of effort to win over a specific woman. He was more intrigued by the greater the task she offered. The more she made him wait, the more enjoyable the first time became. The more she refused to marry him, the more proud he became of his achievement. Men want to compete for a woman's attention, so always push him to strive harder and enjoy the show. 4. Remind him that offensive behavior will not be tolerated. The greatest method to stand up to a man who has no regard for you is to show him you're serious rather than making empty threats. Your natural reaction should be to back away from a man who is disrespectful or inattentive. Stop encouraging him and assuring him that you want to fix things in your response. If he has said or done something to indicate that he does not value your intimacy and attention, you must stop offering it to him. This allows him to sulk and brood without feeling suffocated, allowing him to get it out of his system. Tells him that you don't need his approval or attention to be happy. Finally, you won't wait for him like a devoted dog. You're a strong woman who deserves his undivided attention. Yes, losing his interest is significantly more successful than arguing, crying, or creating drama for him. He doesn't respond when you lose interest. He has no edge. He'll have to return to that point and try again. 5. Don't just fake, achieve something fantastic for yourself. It feels great to complete something good that you've set your mind on. So, by all means, take advantage of the current society we live in, where gender equality is nearly a given. Go out and locate your dream job. Make your pastime your one-of-a-kind skill. Find your calling, your favorite charity, and your way of giving back to the world and leaving it in a better state for future generations.
I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share it with others, and subscribe for more dating tips videos like this. Do you have any dating tips I might have left out? Please post them in the comment section below.